I'm going to walk you through the final completion of 209 Rodeo Drive. But before we begin, feel free to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like it. Let's take a look. Here we are entering a stunning deck. As you can see from the beginning video, the first video we ever did, this was a disaster. It had tons of stuff in here. Cigarette butts, a couch, soft spots on the subfloors. The deck was, we were obviously replaced all those things and relaid it with this beautiful flooring. So let's go inside. Welcome. Take a look. Is this not a complete change from the first video you saw? Remember we had talked about making this bright and spacious? Well, here you are. The light gray is a modern color. Textured walls completely upgrades the whole look of an older mobile home. The baseboards, nice white, bright baseboards, this luxury laminate waterproof flooring. Freshen up the door, the existing door. And let's take a look at the kitchen. Oh, before we go to look into the kitchen, take a look at what we did with the dining room built-in. Is that not amazing? Fresh coat of paint, cleaned up. You could do this in your mobile home. Absolutely. Here we are in the kitchen. What a difference. Okay, so bottom cabinets, brand new. We had talked about the upper cabinets were in great condition, so we painted them. And it makes a world of a difference to have painted cabinets. Beautiful granite. We added the dishwasher. This place actually didn't have a dishwasher, and I figured it was from a female perspective, I think it's pretty important to have my own dishwasher. So beautiful faucet, great dual pane windows. And then the laundry room. We actually covered the laundry so you didn't have to stare at your washer and dryer while you were cooking. Look at that. Something simple like adding accordion doors can make your whole kitchen look completely different. And then, of course, we had talked about changing out the HVAC system. So we didn't have to fully change out the HVAC system, but we basically updated 3/4 of it, so it's virtually brand new. But a world of a difference. So we have made this home energy efficient with a new HVAC, about 3/4 of it, and dual pane windows. Okay, let's go down the hall. Make note of the textured walls and how it brightens this entire space. It was dark. It was very dark and dated. So we have the closets, linen closets, brighten them up with fresh white paint. And then we have this bathroom that is night and day. It's just night and day. New toilets, new cabinets, new granite, new faucets, new sinks, new windows, new shower surround. Just absolutely beautiful, completely different. Okay, so first bedroom. I can't stress how paint just completely brightens the space. Not only did we paint it though, again, the texture makes it like a brand new home. And the white trim, of course, we replaced the subfloors that needed replacing and the new carpet. And of course, dual pane windows. Okay, ready to go to the master bedroom. Again, replace subfloors, all new carpeting, new textured walls, We definitely had to change these in both bedrooms, the slider closet doors. So these new slider doors make a world of a difference. I mean, it's something as simple as new doors and painting them bright white to brighten this entire space, because it was very dark, as you can recall in the previous video. Okay, so again, speaking of bright lights, bright countertops, beautiful new cabinets, brand new faucets, sinks, toilet. This flooring is amazing. It is a luxury laminate, as I stated before, and it's waterproof, which is what you need in your kitchen and baths. And that's shower surround, nice bright white. Okay, have you seen the deck? I'm gonna go show you again because it's so great. Let's go. Okay, my cameraman is so far away from me because there's so much space in this deck. Oh, amazing. What paint, and then even just painting your deck a bright white can change the entire look. Let's go look in the back. So we added all new, actually we redid these steps because they needed help. And we put these stepping stones, so it's easy to go out into the back here, and there's a beautiful maple. We added the rock. We completely added this new fence. Take a look. Isn't that beautiful? Nice and clean. Very clean with the stones. Very clean. Oh yeah, I have to make sure I show you this. We have a brand new shed with a cute little window. Come, let's look. Hello. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it's super cute. It's got a shelf, very spacious, with a floor. Way better than what we had before, right? Definitely. Okay, so thank you so much for doing this walkthrough with me. I'm very excited about helping you. So if you have any questions about any renovations or how to acquire a mobile home, or if you're looking at selling your mobile home, definitely reach out to me. My phone number is below, or you can email me. And don't forget to hit that like button if you like this, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. We've got a lot more coming.